G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a great home, 40 Archer Drive in the popular bayside suburb of Point Vernon. There's a bit to take in as usual. Let's go and take a look around. Don't miss this opportunity to secure your piece of paradise in one of Hervey Bay's most popular locations in the bayside suburb of Point Vernon. This well-maintained brick and tile home was completed in 2004 and has been thoughtfully positioned on a large 872 square metre allotment in a quiet court with loads of space to add a large shed and a pool if desired. This is where you'll enjoy the lifestyle that comes with being able to make a short drive to beautiful Gatakers Bay and the boat ramp, launch your boat and go fishing within minutes. You also have the convenience of being only a short drive away from Hervey Bay's essential amenities, including shopping centres, hospitals, medical centres, the golf course and everything else that makes Hervey Bay great. Enter and be welcomed by a light-filled design with an intuitive and creative floor plan offering an abundance of space for everyone. The vast open plan living and dining area, which does include the kitchen, forms the heart of this home, and you've also got split system air conditioning for year-round comfort. The kitchen does offer ample bench and storage space, plus a pantry, making it ideal for preparing meals for both everyday and those special occasions. Appliances include an electric hot plate with a range hood, you've got a wall oven and there is a dishwasher. This home does utilise its space perfectly, with that vast indoor living and dining area seamlessly connecting with the north-facing outdoor entertaining area. This is where you'll take advantage and enjoy Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate. You also have a separate lounge or media room, so everyone will be able to enjoy their favourite television series along with the latest blockbuster releases. Cooling off over the warmer summer months is as simple as turning on that split system reverse cycle air conditioning, which does flow across that main living and dining area. This home does offer 4 spacious bedrooms, all with ceiling fans and built-in wardrobes. The main bedroom includes a ceiling fan, a built-in wardrobe and an ensuite with shower, vanity and toilet. The bathroom includes a shower, a bath, vanity and you've also got a separate toilet. The laundry offers direct access outside to the clothesline. Vehicle accommodation includes a double garage with remote panel lift door and direct internal access into the home. This property offers clear side access and has just had the rear of the property completely cleared, so there is loads of space to add a large shed and a pool if desired. It is also now a blank canvas for those with a green thumb. Homes in this price point and location are always in high demand, so don't miss this opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.